Hello law learner, welcome to our channel. So today we learn Constitution of India. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon for update. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. So what is Constitution? Constitution is a supreme law outlining governance, protecting citizen right, establishing government structure, powers and accountability, serving as the foundation of a nation, which means it gives a detailed knowledge about how a country should run and how a government should work and what are the rights of the citizen granted. We can also say that any kind of law in India came from its constitution. Okay, so now we will learn how Indian constitution came into existence. Evolution of Indian constitution. During British rule, that is before independence, British do not have our constitution, but they have their several rules and they made act, that is the Government of India Act 1858, and later on several act came into existence for ruling the state. And during independence, Indian Independence Act 1947 was there. Here we can see 1946, British decided to transfer the power, and in 22nd July 1947, that is before independence, tricolor was adopted as Indian flag. So our Indian flag is been adopted by us in 22nd July 1947, and after independence on 29th August 1947, a drafting committee was formed to making the rules and constitution of India. The constitution was drafted by the Constituent Assembly, which was formed in 1946 and consisted of 389 members. The drafting committee, chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, played a crucial role in shaping the constitution. The Indian constitution draw inspiration from various sources, which include first Government of India Act in 1935. In this act, it provides framework of Indian Constitution's federal structure, and Indian Independence Act in 1947, which stated that India and Pakistan are separate nation, and constitution of other countries such as United States, United Kingdom and Ireland. From here we have taken some provisions and it influences our Indian constitution. In 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution on November 26, and in 1950, the Constitution came into effect on January 26, marking the birth of the Republic of India. After this, some of the amendments have been done to the Indian Constitution, which include First Amendment Act of 1951, added the 9th schedule to the Constitution, which includes a list of central and state laws that cannot be challenged in courts. Then 42nd Amendment Act of 1976, which added the words socialist and secular to the preamble and introduced fundamental duties. 73rd Amendment Act of 1992, which introduced provisions related to Panchayati Raj institutions, and 101st Amendment Acts of 2016, which introduced GST, Goods and Service Tax. These amendments have played a significant role in shaping India's governance and legal framework. So today this much only. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and tap the bell icon. To get updated with such kind of video, don't forget to share, like and comments. And if you have any query, you can comment below. You will definitely get the answer. Thank you once again. Have a nice day.